Hello, good morning, and welcome to a video on Unigraph Protocol. Unigraph Protocol is a decentralized indexer for Bitcoin based standards. An indexer is a system or service that organizes the index of data of blockchain transactions. Now, the work of Unigraph Protocol is to build a decentralized indexer that manages that's the index of data on Bitcoin blockchain. Now, this is a huge development and utility that's going on the Bitcoin ecosystem. Now, Unigraph Protocol is building something that is very interesting and intriguing. It's a big utility on the Bitcoin ecosystem, and it should drive an adoption of the BRC20 ecosystem. Now, let's have a deep diving on the decentralized indexer. Now, Unigraph Protocol is aiming to build an indexer for Bitcoin based token standards that is open sourced, that is decentralized and secured. Those are the three main aspects of what they are looking at. Now, this is the landing page of the Unigraph Protocol website. Here you can see where to buy the Unigraph Protocol. You can click here and I can be able to go to the OKX marketplace. You can also buy graph token. You can also buy graph token on the Unisat marketplace. To access the Unisat marketplace, you can also click on Unisat marketplace. You go to your Google, then you can go to the Unisat marketplace. Yes, the Unisat marketplace. You can search for BRC20, then you can search for GRPH, which is the graph token. The um the the token for Unigraph Protocol is called graph token, GRPH. So this is the GRPH on Unisat marketplace. Then this is GRPH on OKX marketplace. You can get your graph token anywhere you wish, OKX marketplace or the Unisat marketplace. Now let's go back to the landing page of Unigraph Protocol. Here you can see this is the problem that the Unigraph Protocol is tending to serve. They're tending to solve. They're trying to solve a centralized the point of failure where centralized where there is a centralized attack and DeFi on Bitcoin. So you can see it's an open sourced, it's a decentralized, and it's secured. Now, Unigraph tends to build a decentralized indexer in the point that these indexers are run by nodes. Now, each of these nodes can get rewards, by they can get rewards in terms of graph tokens. Now, to when they help to manage, organize, and maintain index of data on Bitcoin blockchain for token standards, they earn rewards in graph tokens for the work done. Now, it is open source. The data is easily accessible by anyone. Anyone can see the data and can make changes when necessary, and if allowed by the team, or can propose changes. That's why it is open source, and I've explained why it is decentralized and why it is open source and secure, because it is on the Bitcoin network, and it paves way for trustless DEX for lending market and stablecoin protocols. This is a huge utility from Unigraph Protocol. Now, like I said earlier, Unigraph Protocol already have the graph token. Graph token is the utility token for the Unigraph Protocol. You can purchase Unigraph. You can purchase graph token on OKX marketplace or Unisat marketplace. It is a very essential token if you are on the BRC20 ecosystem. You can buy graph token to stake and stake graph token on brc20.com, brc20.com, staking the app. Now, Recently, Unigraph Protocol had a collaboration or a partnership with BRC20.com to produce the first ever based Bitcoin layer 2 on the Bitcoin blockchain. That's a huge development, a huge step coming into the BRC20 ecosystem. To produce a layer 2, man, that's huge, man. I can't even imagine or believe that this is coming, this is happening on the BRC20 ecosystem. This is a huge one. And if you've not bought graph token, if you're on Unigraph ecosystem, you're not on Unigraph community, you're actually missing out. Join Unigraph, get your graph token. Staking of graph token is happening on brc20.com IFO. That's a huge one. You can stake com token to earn graph token. That's huge coming in. So this is a huge one. This is the roadmap of Unigraph protocol. You can see we're still in the beta mainnet. That's still in development phase. Soon we're going to have the mainnet for the BRC20, which is where they are going to make the production of the Bitcoin layer 2 on the Bitcoin network. Then we're going to have the onboarding of additional token standards. As they progress, more and more token standards will keep coming in, and we can have the Q4. We are going to have the Oracle protocol introduction. We all know what Oracle is. Oracle is like a database for a database server, and it helps in the product in what Unigraph protocol is actually building on the Bitcoin network. Yeah, you can follow them on Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter right here, and you can follow them on Telegram right here. This is to follow them on Twitter. This is the Twitter official Twitter handle. Official Twitter handle. You can follow them on Twitter, and yeah, you can join Telegram. You can join them on Telegram. Easy peasy. And that's that on Unigraph protocol. Thank you for having me talk about Unigraph protocol, and watch this video and share this video to everyone.